Hello, friends. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Ahmed Kapoor. A few days back, one of my friend, uh, astrology friend, calling me, and he told me, Ahmed ji, I don't know what's wrong with me. I have exalted Rahu in my birth chart, and Rahu playing with me a lot. Rahu play a tricks with me. Then I ask him which type of tricks Rahu play with you, what you feel, what you observe, what you analyze, what you please share with me, because I'm doing research on astrology. I need to know what he feels, what Rahu doing, which type of play Rahu play with him. So he explained me our problem. I can understand. I understand his problem, and I again check his birth chart, and I already told him when he explained our problem. Rahu is a natural malefic planet. This is Rahu nature. Malefic, natural malefic planet, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, that maybe play in exalted sign in your birth chart, but you don't show your trust on this planet during the Mahadasha. My that friend, under the running of the Rahu Mahadasha, and Rahu is the exalted in his ninth house, and the nakshatra of the ninth house, Lord placed in 11th house, which is well placed, but he's suffering because this is natural malefic planet's nature. So I'm telling you, all of my friends, all of my viewers, if you have a Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, Rahu play with you with different type of tricks which you never understand. Rahu show you something else and give you something else if you have a Rahu Mahadasha. Like I give you one example. You talk with someone to start a new partnership with your business associates, and they promise you, yes, if you sign this document, we will do this and that for you. You have under the influence of Rahu Mahadasha, which is running to you. And when your partnership will start, you sign the document, your partnership will start, and you will see those native are not stand on the talks which they use before signing a documents, because Rahu is active in your birth chart. This is Rahu nature. Rahu is far away from reality. Rahu is shadow planet. Don't trust on Rahu that may be exalted, that may be debilitated in your birth chart. Try to make a strong planning. If you have any natural malefic planet Mahadasha, you maybe have a Saturn Mahadasha, but Saturn have one promise to everyone. Saturn give lot of practical experience during Saturn Mahadasha. Saturn give you lot of experience from your practical life. You will learn a lot of things from practical life, because this is Saturn nature. But you can't believe on natural malefic planet during Mahadasha, that may be well placed in your birth chart, that may be well house placed in your birth chart, but they will definitely kick you beyond your expectations. You are not expected, oh, I have a Rahu Mahadasha, and Rahu is exalted in my birth chart. My astrologer said this will be a golden period for my next 18 years, but suddenly Rahu kicked me. Why? Because this is Rahu nature. This is malefic planet nature. We can't believe on malefic planets. This is Rahu natural nature. So I'm just clarify all these things with you. If you're suffering from the Rahu Mahadasha, and you have under influence of Rahu Antardasha, MD or AD active in your birth chart, don't believe in Rahu. Don't believe in Rahu that may be exalted, that may be debilitated, that may be friendly sign, that may be Nakshatra Lord is good house. Everything well plays in a birth chart, but don't trust on the Rahu nature. Rahu always play a trick with everyone, show you something else and give you something else. You know, you plan something else and Rahu will give you something else. Rahu delivers something else. So if you have a Rahu Mahadasha, use your brain, and your brain will be stuck in every situation. You don't have ability to take any decision if you have a Rahu Mahadasha. This is Rahu nature. You're getting frustrated, confused, double-minded, always feeling very low and disturbed, because Rahu Mahadasha is active in your birth chart. So you must consult with your nearest astrologer. He will guide you. He will suggest you which is the right path for you, and how can you, if Rahu is trying to kicking you again, and you do some remedies, do some worship chanting. If you have a Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, and Saturn Mahadasha is in your birth chart, these planets are not easy in our Mahadasha. Try to understand me. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, malefic planets Mahadasha will create a lot of up and downs that may be exalted, that may be debilitated into a birth chart. They give you this type of results in Mahadasha or Antardasha. Sometime sudden you rise, sudden you see a downfall because Rahu active in your birth chart in Mahadasha. Sometime you see sudden gains. You may get money from lottery. You may get some money from stock market. You may invest. I give you one example. You invest $5,000 and your investment will be double in 1 year because Rahu give you something, and you plan to invest something big when your 5,000 will be double after 1 year. You plan something big and you invest your $25,000. Then you're getting disturbed because your money is lost in speculation in intraday. This is Rahu because Rahu show you something else and present give you deliver you something else. So must consult with your nearest astrologer which type of Rahu placement in your birth chart, which type of Rahu in your birth chart, and which antardasha Rahu play with you with our different type of tricks. You need to know if you have a Ketu Mahadasha, then the tricks Ketu play are that is different kind. If you have a Rahu Mahadasha, the tricks of the Rahu is different. If you have a Saturn Mahadasha, Saturn is not a tricky planet, but it will give you a lot of learning during Mahadasha. If not well placed, or if maybe well placed, if Saturn is exalted, you may face a lot of hurdles during that period. And you're thinking, oh, I have exalted Saturn. Why Saturn playing with me? Because this is natural malefic planets nature. Focus on your work, do your best, be honest, be humble, and must consult with the nearest astrologer. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.